Mr. Bernard Robinson, thank you so much for joining us today. I so appreciate your time. I already said to you once, I'm going to say it again, I love the mask and heartbroken for you and your family. I want to start by jumping right in and first asking, what is your latest understanding from law enforcement in Mexico as to the status of an arrest or charges?
Nothing.
They haven't given you any information about any arrest for your daughter's murder?
Nothing I know of, ma'am. It's just what the media and the newspaper saying, ma'am. And which, like I say, I'm old school, ma'am. You know, I'm just a normal man, citizen that wake up, God grace, health and strength, just go to work and, you know, do what I'm supposed to do as a responsible father.
Tell us what you want us to know about your daughter.
I mean, she was beautiful. I mean, she's beautiful on the outside, but I always tell her, beauty is not what's going to get you in life, you know. It's okay to be beautiful, but she had a beautiful spirit. She had a foundation that I raised up in the church at a younger age, got baptized in the church. I mean, she knew the Lord. She knew where her faith and her help comes from, you know. From a father that had a mother and a dad in the house that gave us discipline and structure. We weren't born with no silver spoon in our mouth, so I supplied over. My dad and my mother raised me till I become a man, and when I had her, when God blessed me with her, I tried to put those same qualities in her, and eventually, you know, it did, through the grace of God, my prayers, my faith in Him. So she was real. She was a people person, loving and caring, you know, cared about folks, never did look down on nobody, you know. Only thing she wanted to do is just enjoy life. She was a very smart, intelligent young lady. Always, you know, she was on the A and B honor roll ever since she hit, you know, junior high, high school, college, I mean, you know, elementary. I mean, she was just a bright, young, smart, intelligent lady. Just had life about herself. She's not a fighter, you know. She was just somebody that loved people, you know. My life didn't change behind all this. I didn't know the friends. I just know they went to college with her. That's about it. They're supposed to be going over there to celebrate one of their birthdays. But evidently, I guess they plotted, jealous and envious of her, and did what they did to her for no such a reason. I mean, you know, she didn't see it coming.
What did the friends tell you or your wife happened to your daughter initially, or did they tell you anything?
The friends ain't tell me nothing. Friends just told her moms, you know, that they came back with the luggage and her phone. Just came back and sit down there, you know, at her sister's house and ate food and, you know, sit there and just told them that big lie that it was alcohol poison, and which I knew it wasn't. I deep down in my heart, because I know how I raised her. I mean, you know, we're not perfect at all. You know, she wasn't no perfect child. I mean, she drunk a little, but alcohol poison? Nah. We all did that when we was coming up a little bit, just experiencing things, but still at the same time, she knew herself, and I knew her. I know that's my daughter by just how I raised her, and I know for a fact she's too smart and too intelligent to put herself in that kind of situation like that, man. You know, for them to sit there and say it was alcohol poison, they sit around drinking and eating, and she got sick and wasn't feeling well, you know. And they asked you know, it wasn't no altercation, none of that, man. They didn't even reach out to me. They ain't called and said, Mr. Robinson, sorry about Shanquella. their parents ain't called and give no kind of condolence whatsoever, man. So, I'm not even gonna say they friends, man. They're not friends. I just want to know why. It's a whole lot of answers, a whole lot of questions is not being answered, man. You know, I just want the U.S. Attorney over there, Mexican Authority, everybody around there were, you know, which a lot of prayers is going out for me and my family, ma'am. That's how I'm standing. I'm standing on everybody's prayers, ma'am, and they love and they caring this for me, ma'am, and God's strength in my faith in Him, Lord, and ma'am, you know, I just want everybody over there, the U.S. Attorney, to feel my pain as a father, to know that their daughter came over here to the United States and had friends, and they supposed to come to celebrate her birthday, and then they get a phone call and saying their daughter had passed over here in the United States. You know, I just want the U.S. Attorney General, what he would do. You know, he would want the United States to do the right thing. You know, make sure these people are accountable for what they action or what they did. Because right now, my life has been changed, man. My life been changed completely. You know, I ain't never experienced nothing like this right here. You know, thinking that she gonna bury me, but I end up burying her, man. You know, that's God's child. God blessed me with her. You know, and I try to raise her up to the best abilities I could, ma'am. And for them to take her away from me like that, you know, it's sad, man. It's just hurt. It's over a month now, and I'm still hurt, man. This pain is so deep to the core.